Question number 13. Which of the following statements is not true? Not true means false. True, false. False is not true. We wanted to find out. There are 4 options are given. Which is false? We wanted to find which is false. The which is false, that is which is not true is the answer for the problem. Option A. Many number of tangents can be drawn. Many number of tangents can be drawn at any point on the circle. Now, I am going to draw one circle. This is circle. Many number of secants can be drawn at any point on the circle. On the circle, there are so many points are there. So many points are there on the circle. So many points. We take one point. We take one point. Many number of secants can be drawn at any point on the circle. At that point, this is a point. I am going to draw secants. It is one secant through this point. Another secant. Another secant. Next secant. There are so many secants. Secant is a line passing through the circle. Many number of secants can be drawn at any point on the circle. Therefore, this is a true statement. This is true. It is not the answer for the problem. Option B. Only one tangent can be drawn at any point on a circle. Now I am drawing one circle. Only one tangent can be drawn at any point on a circle. On a circle, there are so many points are there. So many points are there. We will take one point. This point. Only one tangent can be drawn at any point. If we take this point, we can draw only one tangent. If we take here point, only one tangent. If we take a point here, only one tangent. The points are many, but at that point we can draw only one tangent. Therefore, this is also true statement. Go to the question, option C. A chord is a line segment joining 2 points on the circle. I am drawing a circle. A chord is a line segment joining 2 points on the circle. I am taking 2 points. Point A, point B. Join A and B. It is called chord. It is a definition of a chord. Chord is a line segment joining any 2 points on the circumference of a circle. Therefore, this is true statement. It is also true. Come to the question, option D. From a point inside a circle, only 2 tangents can be drawn. I am drawing one circle. From a point inside a circle, I am taking one point. I am taking one point P. I am taking one point P. From a point inside a circle, only 2 tangents can be drawn. Here, through this point, we can draw many lines. Through this point, we can draw many lines. There are many lines are passing through this point. They are all not tangents. They are all simply lines passing through the point P. Therefore, this is false. That is, this is not true. This is not true. This is the answer for our problem. Which of the following statement is not true? Which of the following statement is not true? The answer is option D. Option D is the answer. For this problem, this problem, option D is the answer. From a point inside a circle, it is not possible to draw any tangent. They are telling two tangents possible, not possible to draw tangents. Option D is the answer for the problem. False. What is the meaning of false? Not true. We wanted to find not true. Problem completed. Question number 14. The length of the tangent drawn to a circle of radius 9 centimeter from a point 41 centimeter from the center is option A 40 centimeter, option B 9 centimeter, option C 41 centimeter, option D 50 centimeter. It is a question. The length of the tangent drawn to a circle of radius 9 centimeter. Now I am going to draw the diagram. Circle. The length of the tangent drawn to a circle of radius 9 centimeter. Radius of the circle is 9 centimeter. From a point 41 centimeter from the center. From the center, there is one point P. That is, the distance between the center and the point P is 41 centimeter. Radius of a circle is 9 centimeter. It is radius. This is a tangent. Here I am going to draw one more tangent. There are two tangents from an external point to a given circle. Radius 9 centimeter. What is the question? The length of the tangent drawn to a circle. Length of the tangent PA. What is the measurement of PA? We wanted to find what is PA. It is length of the tangent. Or what is PB? PB. Length of the tangent. We wanted to find what is PA. Here, we know that in a circle, the tangent make 90 degree with the radius. The angle between the tangent at a point A to the radius is 90 degree. Similarly, this also 90 degree. There are two right angle triangles are there. We take any one right angle triangle. I am going to take the right angle triangle OAP to find the tangent measurement. Length of the tangent we wanted to find. Length of the tangent. To find the tangent in right angle triangle, in right angle triangle, in right angled triangle OAP, YAP by Pythagoras theorem. By Pythagoras theorem. I am going to apply Pythagoras theorem. Opposite 9 degrees hypotenuse, that is OP square. The square of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the square of other two sides, YA squared plus BA squared. YA squared plus PA squared. These two options I am writing in the left side. C is 41 centimeter and option D is 50 centimeter. OP square. In a right angle triangle YAP, OP squared equal to YA squared plus AP squared by Pythagoras theorem. What is OP? 41. 41 square. What is OA? Radius 9 square plus PA square. 41 square. 41 into 41. 41 into 41 is 1681. 9 squared is 81 plus PA square. 1681 minus 81. 81 will bring it to left side. 1681 minus 81 equal to PA square. 1681 minus 81 is 1600, which implies 1600 equal to PA square. That is PA square equal to 1600. PA square equal to 1600. Take square root on both sides. Taking square root on both sides. Root of PA square, root of 1600. Square root of PA squared is PA. Square root of 1600. 1600 is 4 into 4, 16. 100 is 10 into 10. For double 4, 1 4. For double 10, 110. 4 into 10 equal to 40. PA equal to 40 centimeter. The length of the tangent is 40 centimeter. Length of the tangent is 40 centimeter. PA equal to 40 centimeter. Similarly, PP also 40 centimeter. Option is option A. Option A 40 centimeter. Option A 40 centimeter. Answer. Problem completed.